to my channel. So today is Sunday. I thought I'll just share my skincare routine with you guys. So a lot of you have sent me a DM on Instagram asking about my skincare routine, and honestly guys, I'm being 100% honest, I have no skincare routine at all. I'm so bad at this. I know I should be taking care of my skin as I'm almost touching my 30s now. So I think I should definitely follow like a proper skincare regime, but I'm really bad at this. I'm actually too lazy, but there are a few things that I do right now, so I thought I'll just share it with you guys. My skin type is like really dry. I have extremely dry skin, and especially after I've moved in this country. It's a cold country. Here the temperatures are too extreme, as you know, and for dry skin, oh my god, it gets so bad. In winters, I can't tell you. Summers, it's still okay. So first thing first, I always make sure that I clean my face. Like no matter what time you're getting home, even if it's late in the night, I make sure that I clean my face before going to bed, because otherwise you're going to break out. So I use Bioderma Micellar water. It's been almost like 3 years that I've been using this, and I've never seen my skin acting up after I've used this product. It's just amazing. So I'm just going to take a very soft cotton pad and just going to wipe my face. So right now I have no makeup on, but I'm still cleaning my face before applying anything. Yeah, this is my real skin, guys. So it's not as flawless. I do break out at times, especially when it's that time of the month. I just have very dry skin, so it gets a lot flaky sometimes. So clean my face. Now I'm going to try a product. So honestly guys, this brand called Teami Blends, they sent me these products and they asked me to try them out. They were waiting for the video for my review, but I told them that I will take my own time because I don't want to just share anything with my followers. I know you follow me for a reason and I want to be completely 100% honest. So they sent out 2 products. So there's one mask and the other one is a vitamin C tea infused serum. So Teami Blends, they focus on mixing teas, herbs and other natural ingredients into wellness products. They're very popular for their teas, but also they have like skincare. So I just want to give it a go. So I'm just going to put my hair up, and yeah, so I'm ready to put on the mask. I'm so excited. It actually smells of, okay, let me just check the ingredients first, because I think that's very important to know what you're actually putting on your face. So this mask has aloe leaf juice, which is good. Aloe vera is really good for your skin. This has bentonite clay, which is supposed to be really good for your skin again. And there's glycerine, that's good. That's for hydrating your skin, because clay masks usually make your skin very dry. And especially when this was sent to me, I was like, oh my god, it's a clay mask. I don't know if I should put it on my face, but this has glycerine and matcha green tea as well, which is supposed to hydrate your skin. And yeah, it's a green tea blend detox mask, so I think it's a good way to detox on a Sunday. So I'm just going to apply this mask. It's a pretty good quantity, guys, so I think it's going to last you like for a couple of months. So I've already applied this mask like last week, and I did not break out or anything. Rather, I felt so good honestly after applying this mask. So I just want to give it another try. So guys, honestly, I don't really do all of these things. I don't even remember when was the last time I applied any mask, to be honest. But I think it's very important to do these things for your skin at least once in a while. I'm always down to trying new things, but definitely want to try it 100% before I give you my honest reviews. Alright, so I'm almost done applying the mask. So yeah, mask is done and now I'm going to wait for like 10-15 minutes. So I should not speak now because I should just let my skin feel all the matcha and the clay and all the goodness.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
It's very difficult to speak now because it has become all dry. So now it's time to rinse it off. And one thing you need to make sure is that you don't use face wash after you mask, because the face mask has done its job. You don't really need anything else. Just rinse it with water and just make sure that you just pat the towel. Just don't rub or anything, don't do that to your skin. And oh my god, my skin feels so nice and fresh. It looks so clean. It's very hydrating. And I've used it for the second time now and I've seen no breakouts or anything or no irritation as such. I think it's a really, really good mask. And it's definitely going to be in my beauty favorites. They also sent me this vitamin C tea infused serum. So let me check the ingredients for this one. It's the hibiscus flower leaves and also the red tea. That's why they have this baby pink color. So I'm just going to use 3 pumps of it and gently massage onto my skin in circles. It's all good. And they also sent me a code that you guys can use if you need to order this product. So I put the code down here. You can use this code and order the products on their online website, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed. So next up, I'm going to use moisturizer. I think this is a very important step. Obviously, hydration is the key, guys. So these are the 2 moisturizers that I'm currently using. So first is this La Roche-Posay, very popular skin cream. This is again for the sensitive skin. So this is the Hydrant Tolerant Sensitive Cream. And the next cream I use is this Hydra Life. This is the Hydration Rescue Intense Sorbet Creme by Dior. So currently I'm using the La Roche-Posay one more. It has not given me breakouts or anything, so it's all good. So I'm just going to apply slightly, just pat it on my skin. And one very important tip, guys, don't forget your neck. It's very important to use it on your neck as well. And I guess the most important thing, which you should not forget at all, even if you're staying indoors, is a SPF. This is by Vichy. It's a 50 UVA plus UVB SPF. I'm not really liking this product as much, to be honest. But yeah, just doing its job. It's just SPF, but I don't really like the consistency of it. At least it doesn't make my face very sticky. You don't want to feel all sticky in summers. I think it's okay, but I'm looking for better sunscreen. Maybe I have to try a couple more. So it's all about hydration today. So I'm just going to apply a eye cream as well. This is one of their best sellers. A lot of people rave about this creamy eye treatment. So this has avocado in it. Avocado is supposed to hydrate your skin, that's okay, but I don't know if it's doing anything at all. It kind of gives me a satisfaction that at least I've hydrated my under eyes, because this area is very sensitive and the consistency of this cream is very thick. So if you see, I have to rub it a lot because it's very thick. And for this area, you need to be very, very gentle because this area is very sensitive. And you want to make sure that you use your ring finger because this is supposed to be like very gentle. So I'm just going to dab, and that's about it. And just one last thing, I'm also going to put a lip balm. So this is like a vegan intensive lip mask by Agave. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. This is a very thick lip balm, guys. This has been working so well. Just after I apply it and wake up the next morning, my lips are so plump and hydrated. So if you see, it's quite thick. Oh, look at that. It's like you're applying like a lip gloss. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Like as I said, I don't really do a lot with my skincare. Right now, I just make sure that I cleanse my face every day, put on the moisturizer and the SPF. and this eye cream once in a while. I'm too lazy to put it like every day, and this lip mask whenever I feel dry. That's all. There's nothing else. I'm not using any night creams, day creams. There's so much in the market. AHAs, BHAs, retinols, there's so much. Honestly, I don't know where to start from. But I started my research yesterday because I'm almost touching 30s, and now I feel that I should probably add in a little more steps in my skincare routine so that I can protect my aging skin and just keep looking youthful. So I ordered a couple of products online at Sephora yesterday, and I can't wait to try them. So once they're here, and I'll just use these products for a couple of weeks, try them and let you guys know how I feel about it. And if there are any products that did work for me or did not, I'll share that with you, like completely my 100% honest reviews. And yeah, this is my simple skincare routine. I hope you like it. And also I would like to know what you guys do for your skincare. Do you think this is enough? Am I doing good for like being a 29-year-old? Or do you really think I need to include more steps in my skincare? Please let me know. And also guys, if you want to recommend any good products for skincare, if you've tried it, if something has worked for you, especially for dry skin, please put down in the comments below. I would love to try your recommendations too. And thank you for watching, all the people who are coming back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in back again. And if you're new, my name is Pooja Gulati and I make videos about fashion, beauty, travel. So it's basically a lifestyle channel. And if you liked watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. It would really mean a lot to me. So I hope you had a good time watching my simple skincare routine, and I'll see you next time. Bye.